Hey there! Whether you are a seasoned marketing professional or curious beginner, you probably know social media is a fantastic way to get your message across. Every business can think of this as an amazing way to get your message out, to get your brand to circulate, to get engagement, impressions, comments, and likes. And today we're going to show you how the social posting feature works in AI ads. The first thing you need to do is connect your social media accounts. Remember, your login for social posting is different than your paid media one, so you'll need to go through connecting the first time. Once you've finished the process, you will see that the platforms are connected and you are ready to start. The next step is clicking to create a post. When you're in this menu, you will notice you have the prompt section, so you can click to begin describing what your post is going to be about. Make sure to add all the relevant information. The system will remember your choices from the brand context section, so things like your website and business name will be here. In this example, we're going to go with a solar panel installation prompt. Remember, you have 5,000 characters to play around with. You can add all the relevant details. Also, this is where you can choose your preferred language, and when you are ready, you can click to generate the campaign. When the generation process is finished, you will be able to see all your post details. You can select in between a post, a reel, or a story, depending on what story you want to tell, and you have the entire creative library to play around here. You'll see the different post captions, and you can even play with the GPT generator to change the text. If you keep scrolling down, you'll find the post format settings. This is where you can choose between images and videos, and you have access to all the creative options. Just take a look at this. We added a meme generator, which creates amazing and funny creatives that make people want to interact with your brand. We suggest playing around and getting creative. You still have the options to prompt with DALL-E to select from your website and even pull from your social media accounts. For videos, you have the option to play with AI avatars to create your own AI influencers or even pull from your existing videos. When you're ready, you can schedule the post with just a couple of clicks. You can just select your publishing date and time. Right after you finish, you will be able to see this in your post calendar. You can preview what the post is going to look like, and you can even edit the date and time. Social posting is the ideal complement to your paid media strategy. Time to get creative.